In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade an email plan on Hostinger. Whether you're looking to enhance your existing capabilities or require more robust features to keep up with your growing needs, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to head over to the Hostinger website. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger homepage. If you haven't already, sign into your Hostinger account using your credentials. This will give you access to all of your existing products and options available for your account, including email services. Once you're all signed in and on the Hostinger dashboard with My Meta dashboard, what you want to do next is locate the email section. Here's where you can manage all things related to your email plan. You should spot a section called Emails right on your dashboard. Click on this section to explore the current plans you're using and the upgrades that are available. Now, as we look at upgrading options, you will see a plan named Business Starter showcased in your email dashboard. This is one of the entry-level plans, often ideal for personal use or small startups. If you're planning to start simple, this might be a great place to begin. However, if you're looking for more comprehensive features, you might want to skip ahead to the following options. Next on our list of upgrades is the Business Premium plan. Go ahead and click on this option if you're aiming for enhanced features or greater capacity. This plan generally offers more robust support and often includes additional tools that might be beneficial as your business needs expand in terms of email management. Finally, let's not forget about another great option, Google Workspace. You can find this option listed among your email upgrades as well. Clicking on Google Workspace might be the perfect solution for those who heavily rely on Google's suite of tools. It integrates seamlessly, offering collaborative and powerful features such as shared calendars, cloud storage, and more, which can be a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Whichever path you choose, each upgrade option offers unique benefits, tailored to meet different requirements. Once you've made your decision on which plan suits your needs best, follow the on-screen prompts to upgrade your plan. You'll be guided through the process, confirming your new selection and handling the payment. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully navigated through Hostinger's email plan upgrades. Each option is straightforward and designed to suit a variety of user requirements, ensuring that as your email needs grow, Hostinger's got you covered. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time.